Meaning of freeman.
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 Freeman. The term freeman refers to someone who is not a slave or serf and has certain legal and social rights and privileges, such as the right to own property and vote in elections. In medieval Europe, freemen were typically members of the bourgeoisie or skilled craftsmen who were granted freedoms by the local lord. In modern times, the concept of freeman has evolved to refer to individuals who reject government authority and consider themselves sovereign citizens. The term can also be used more broadly to describe someone who values personal freedom and independence.